Today I will be trading my FR Parrot here for a good offer. I just got hacked and this parrot is from my alt account, so yeah. And if you have offers for this, you can comment down below with your user. And if I see a good offer, I will be friending you in Roblox as a friend, and make sure you accept my friend request and I will trade you in Roblox.me. Make sure you will be online every day at 3 or 6 p.m. and so that I can trade you. And yeah, so let's just go to this lunar update and see what people can offer for this period. I might as well decline though. I don't really know. Let's trade this girl. Accept. Let's see. A FR King Bee. Add. I think she should add. Wait. Add, my friend. Add. And I'm in mobile, so you can see my keyboard. And I'm sorry if it's loud, cause my families are loud and they're in the house. Okay, I'm gonna decline. Let's see this person here. Let's see what will they offer. Okay. Come on. A ride owl, a metal ox, a ground sloth. What is this? I can't read it. That's so wrong. A monkey? Seriously? Let's try this, girl. Let's see, what will they offer now? A fly-ride unicorn. Nah, I think this person needs a pet, but are they actually poor or something? Tell me in the comments if you think they are actually poor or they're just trying to scam for free pets. Okay, let's see this girl now. What their offer is right kitsune. I could offer this for right kitsune. No. Wait, sorry. Okay, this one I might accept. I think they're gonna decline. I knew it, they're gonna decline. I'm just gonna decline. Okay, I think this server's kinda not my type, but okay. Wait, let's see her. Okay, what's her offer? I think this is the same girl. Yeah, that's the same girl. 2 metal oxes. 3 metal oxes. No, not enough to make a neon. Sorry, it's loud now. Wait, okay guys, I'm in a quiet place, not too quiet, because my little brother are watching YouTube, which is so loud. So yeah, and that's the end for this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this vid. Bye.